Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel VGC on Dot. Myself Kanchan. Today in this video I shall discuss to you about few solved questions of biology asked in NEET medical test paper. So let's start now. The first question: maximum number of existing transgenic animals is of first pig, second fish, थर्ड माइस एंड फोर्थ काऊ. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा माइस. ट्रांसजेनिक एनिमल्स दैट हैव देयर डीएनए मैनिपुलेटेड टू possess and express an extra gene are known as transgenic animals. Example: rat, rabbit, pig. Overall 95% all extinct transgenic animals are mice. The next question: continuous addition of sugar in fed-batch fermentation is done to first degrade sewage, second produce methane, third obtain antibiotics and fourth purifying enzyme. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा purifying enzyme. Continuous addition of sugar in fed-batch fermentation is done to purifying enzyme. The next question: the process of RNA interference has been used in the development of plant resistance to first insect, second nematode, third fungi and fourth viruses. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा nematode. RNA interference has been used in the development of plant resistance to nematode like Meloidigyne incognita, which infect the root of tobacco plants and cause a great reduction in yield. The next question: Jaya and Ratna developed for green revolution in India are the varieties of first bajra, second maize, third rice and fourth wheat. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा rice. Jaya and Ratna are better yielding semi-dwarfing varieties of rice developed in India. The next question: which one of following organism is not an example of eukaryotic cell? First amoeba proteus, second paramecium caudatum, third Escherichia coli and fourth Euglena viridis. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा Escherichia coli because Escherichia coli is a prokaryotic organism. The next question: which one of the following animals is correctly matched with its particular named taxonomic category? First housefly musca an order, second tiger tigris the species, third cuttlefish mollusca a class, fourth human primata the family. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा tiger tigris the species. Species means a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities is called species. The next question: in which one of the following the genus name, its two character and its class / phylum are correctly matched? Genus name, two characters, class / phylum. First Aurelia, organ level of organization Coelenterata and body segmented. Second Ascaris, male and female distinct annelida and tympanum represent ear. Third salamander, fertilization is external amphibia and skin purges. And fourth pteropus hair, oviparous mammalia and nidoblast. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा salamander. Fertilization is external amphibia and skin purges. Salamander is a member of class Amphibia. A tympanum represents the ear. Salamander is viviparous and gills are absent in adult condition. The next question: which one of the following group of animals is correctly matched with its one characteristic feature without even a single exception? First Mammalia gives birth to young ones. Second Reptilia possess three-chambered heart with one incomplete divided ventricles. Third Chordata possess a mouth provided with an upper and lower jaw. And fourth Condacthes possess cartilaginous endoskeleton. So इसका सही ऑप्शन है Condacthes possess cartilaginous endoskeleton. The member of class Condacthes are marine animals with streamlined body and have cartilaginous endoskeleton. skeleton. The next question, what will you look for identifying the sex of following? First, males are clasper bone on pelvic fins. Second, female scaries sharply covered posterior in. Third, male frog a copulatory pad on the first digit of the hind limb. And fourth, फीमेल कॉकरोच इनर सर्साई. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा मेल शार्क क्लैस्पर बोन ऑन पेल्विक फिन्स. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द कर्व गिवन बिलो शो एंजाइमेटिक एक्टिविटी विथ relation to three conditions: pH, temperature, and substrate concentration. X axis, Y axis. What do the two axes X and Y represent? First, enzymatic activity, temperature. Second, enzymatic activity, pH. Third, temperature, enzyme activity. And fourth, substrate concentration, enzymatic activity. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा temperature, enzyme activity. X axis represent temperature and Y axis represent enzyme activity. All enzymes act at an optimum temperature. Above and below this temperature, the enzyme activity decline. The next question, the ciliated columnar epithelial cell in humans are known to occur in first, fallopian tube and urethra. Second, eustachian tube and stomach lining. Third, bronchioles and fallopian tube. And fourth, bile duct and esophagus. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा bronchioles and fallopian tubes. Columnar epithelial cell is composed of a single layer of tall and cylinder cell. They are mainly present in the inner surface of hollow organs like bronchioles and fallopian tube. Their function is to move particles or mucus in a specific direction over the epithelium. The next question, select the correct option with respect to mitosis. First, chromosome move to spindle equators and get aligned along equatorial plate in metaphase. Chromatid separate but remains in center of cell in anaphase. Third, chromatid start moving towards opposite pole in telophase. Fourth, Golgi complex and endoskeleton reticulum are still visible at the end of prophase. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा क्रोमोसोम मूव टू स्पिंडल इक्वेटर्स एंड गेट अलाइंड along equatorial plate in metaphase. The next question, what was the most significant trends in the evolution of modern man Homo sapiens from his ancestor? First, increasing brain capacity. Second, upright posture. Third, shortening of jaw. And fourth, binocular vision. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा increasing brain capacity. The next question, which one of the following condition correctly describe the manner of determining the sex in the given examples? First, homozygous sex chromosome XX produce male in Drosophila. Second, homozygous sex chromosome ZZ determine female sex in birds. Third, XO type of sex chromosome determine male sex in grasshopper. And fourth, XO condition in humans has found in Turner syndrome determines female sex. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा XO type of sex chromosome determine male sex in grasshopper. Grasshopper examples of XO type of sex determination when in females only one X chromosome beside the autosome, when in females one pair of X chromosomes. The next question, a person with unknown blood group under ABO system has suffered much blood loss in an accident and need immediate blood transfusion. His one friend who has a valid certificate of his own blood type offer for blood donation without delay. What would have been the type of blood group of the donor friends? First, type A. Second, type B. Third, type AB. And fourth, type O. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा टाइप O. Type O has no any antigen but antibody A and B found. थैंक्स टू ऑल व्यूवर्स स्टूडेंट्स. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको हमारा वीडियोस पसंद आया होगा. सो प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट and subscribe to my YouTube channel VGC on Dot. Please share this video to your friends, and to get the latest notification of new uploaded video, please press the bell icon button. Thank you. जय हिंद, जय भारत.